In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to generate a QR code. A QR code looks a bit like this. It's a square barcode that when users scan it in using their mobile phone, it presents them with some more information. So for instance, you might put one in a poster that appears in the street, so that when people scan in the QR code, it gives them a web link to follow to find out more information about something. Now, creating a QR code is a deceptively simple process. You just need to find yourself a QR code generator. One of the ones I like to use, which is free, is by Kwar. To find it, we just click into the location bar of our browser and type in qrcode.kwar.com and hit return. That loads up the system. Once it's loaded, we get to choose various options to generate our QR code. First of all, we need to decide on the content type. Do we want it to be a URL, in other words a web address that people can follow? We can make it just produce some plain text, so some information about something, or a phone number, or even an SMS message. I want people to visit a certain web link, so I'm going to choose that. And of course the web link I want people to look at is the Kind of Digital homepage. So I put kindofdigital.com in this box. Of course you could put any URL you wanted to in there, and it's done. We now just need to choose the size of the QR code we want. I'd advise choosing the largest option possible at all times, because we can always size it down again later on. Once we've chosen all of our options, we just click Generate. And after a little while, up pops our QR code. It really is as simple as that. Now, we probably ought to save this to make sure we've got it in future so we can put it into our documents and posters and that kind of thing. So right click the picture, choose Save Picture As, and then navigate to the folder where you want it to be saved on your computer, and you just type in the name that you want to give it, hit return, and now it's saved. So the next time you're in Word or Publisher or whatever application you want to use to publish your QR code, you just need to find that image and drop it into place. And that's how you generate a QR code.